What's up, guys? We're back with another one. Silverado single cab from Las Cruces, New Mexico. Customer wants new headliner installed, wrapped in black suede with starlights. This customer has bought a Titan seal kit, I believe. Already he installed his own Titan window. It's got a sunroof of old school Robusto. But I guess he wanted to try the starlights. Didn't work out for him, so he wants me to install them so they come out badass. Check out the truck, single cab. This is what we're working with. It does have the starlights, but he never finished. I think he gave up, is what he was saying. But we're gonna get him done right here at Rob's Customs. Like I said, it's got the old school Robusto Titan window. Came out good. It's got my seal on there. But yeah, we're gonna start removing everything out of here. He did bring me, which is good. He brought me a headliner already stripped out, ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this all out. I'm gonna cut it out to fit the sunroof, wrap it in some black suede, which is going to look real good with the stars. Install the starlights and then go from there. Alright guys, we got the headliner installed, pre-cut out before we wrap it in suede. Check it out, everything's cut out, fit good. There is no tension at all with the headliner and the sunroof. Everything just pops right in like OEM. So we're gonna pull it out, wrap it in suede, and then we'll start the starlights. Alright guys, we got the headliner done, wrapped in suede. Came on badass, and it does have the cutout for the sunroof. Like I said, I never cut those out now. I always form it to the sunroof trim. That way it gets a nice, good OEM look. But yeah, there she is. Came out good. We're gonna start the starlight process now. Here's the back of it. There's the back of it right there. We're gonna start the starlight process now so we can get them all in, and then we'll should be done.
Perfect.
Another one done at Rob's Customs. Stay tuned, we got a lot more coming. Lot more coming. So keep an eye out for more panoramics, more starlights. And we got more inventory in. We're running out of inventory, and we're gonna get some more inventory in. A lot of this stuff is already all sold, so just waiting on the next customer. All right guys, peace.